St. Jago High is represented by Janelle Esson, Nathaniel Baker, Kevandra Blake, and Jermaine Miller. Kingston College is represented by Roger Banton, Nikolai Downer, Giovanni Thompson, and Captain Jaquan Martin. Hello and welcome to the second match in the best of three quarterfinal series of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz 2024. I'm your host, Archibald Gordon. In this best of three quarterfinal series, teams will have to defeat their opponents twice to advance to the semi-finals round. Now, St. Jago High won the opening match and will book their semi-final spot with another win. But Kingston College must win today to force a deciding match. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move to the next round? This is the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Now, earlier we had the toss and Kingston College won and decided to go in first. So we begin with Kingston College and with 4 minutes on the clock in the category of literature. Which novel by Edwidge Danticat details the events leading to the segregation and massacre of Haitians in Haiti and the Dominican Republic?
The Farming of Bones.
The Farming of Bones.
Okay, see, that's correct. St. Jago High Literature, which novel by Edwidge Danticat details a young girl's immigration experience as she moves from Haiti to New York City?
Brett Eyes Memory.
Brett Eyes Memory.
Incorrect. Behind the Mountains. Kingston College International Affairs, a visual question. Look at the monitor, identify the person.
One of the, like the U.S. what? They call it senator. Come.
Alejandro Mayorkas.
That's incorrect. It's Mike Pence, former U.S. Vice President. St. Jago High International Affairs, also a visual question. Look at the monitor, identify this person.
Blinken.
Anthony Blinken.
U.S. Secretary of State, that's correct. KC, Jamaican Heritage. Complete the Jamaican saying, Horifi ask Nomek.
Question done.
Jackass belly full.
Incorrect. Horifi ask Nomek, people give. Jamaican Heritage, St. Jago High. Complete the Jamaican saying, if you can walk fast.
Take time. Take time.
Take time, run.
That's correct. Music, Kingston College, an audio question. Please listen to the following clip. Give the title of the song.
What's going on?
What's going on?
What's going on?
That's incorrect. It's Put Your Heart Up by Ariana Grande. St. Jago High Music, also an audio question. Listen to the following clip. Give the title of the song.
Title.
And I ignored it. Rose-colored glasses are distorted.
Lose you to love me.
By Selena Gomez. That's correct. Kingston College, French. What is the English translation of the adverb polymorph?
Polymorph.
Quickly.
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 That's incorrect. It's politely. St. Jago High, French. What is the English translation of the adverb heureusement?
Hurriedly.
That's incorrect. It's fortunately or thankfully or luckily. Theatre and Cinema, Kingston College, also a visual question. Look at the monitor, identify the actor.
No. Christopher Meloni.
Christopher Meloni.
That is correct. Theatre and Cinema, St. Jago High, visual as well. Please look at the monitor, identify the actor.
Richard Jones.
Richard Belzer. Kingston College, English language. Give an 8-letter adjective starting with O, which means to be compliant with an order or request.
Obedient.
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 That's correct. St. Jago High, English language. Which 7-letter word, which starts with J, means to prove to be right or reasonable?
Justify.
Justify.
That's correct. Kingston College Sport, a visual question. Please look at the monitor, identify the person.
Walter Boyd.
Walter Boyd.
That's incorrect. That's Warren Barrett, former Reggae Boys captain. Jago High Sport, a visual question. Please look at the monitor, identify this person.
Lever Dixon.
That's correct. Former Reggae Boys player. And that's the end of the opening challenge. And the scores are St. Jago High on 5 and Kingston College on 3. When we come back, it will be time for the speed challenge. Quarterfinal action in Schools Challenge Quiz 55 returns after these messages.